Okay, so there's the front porch, and we put up a string line, and it's got about 1.25 inch sag in it. We've actually installed our concrete pads, and we've installed our jacks here in order to lift this thing up. We have another jack behind us over here to help distribute the weight. Okay, so we've jacked up the beams here. There's still a slight sag because they've learned to be in that position. But what we have here is this pad that has sunk because the post has been on the back half. We're going to take this pad, we're going to slide it back. What we need to do is support this beam down underneath here, remove this post, slide this pad back, get it set in the soil, and repost this while we have our jacks under pressure at this point. Okay, so here's our point load from our porch that was sagging, and you can see that we poured concrete pad that's 2 foot by 2 foot by 1 foot deep. We jacked up our floor, and you can see that we have our shims in here ready for micro adjustments as needed. You can see that we put in some new posts over here, so we're just getting this sag out of this. This is not a complete restoration, but we're making it right. So we've also installed the skirt backing down in here, and also it's a framing that's in here, and then also we've installed our skirt board here. So you can see this is a PVC material, the AZAC, which I like to use because it goes down into the ground and it will never decay. Paintable, sandable, cuttable. Works really great for this kind of application where the client doesn't want to pay for doing a foundation. And that's what we accomplished so far today. So what I said yesterday about the PVC skirt, as you saw in your first shot, that the skirt is all completely installed. All the back framing is installed. We've straightened out the front of the deck, the front of the porch here, and then we've temporarily installed the stairs for the owner because at some point they're going to want to do maybe some different stairs or whatever, so we reinstalled those. And that's it. That's the final look.